For today's adventure, we are exploring the Roaring Forks Motor Nature Trail here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This trail is a drivable one-way loop. It consists of 5.5 miles with beautiful mountain foliage and historic buildings. We are currently at stop number 10 on the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. This particular property had belonged to Jim Bales. He had moved to the area back in the 1860s and had lived here up until the Great Smoky Mountains National Park was created in the early 1930s. Unfortunately, I do not know what has become of his original cabin. This cabin is actually built by Albert Alexander Cole. This cabin is the last remaining building of the community of Sugarlands community proper. This cabin originally sat across the Little Pigeon River from what is now the Quiet Walkway, opposite the Husky Branch trailhead, just off of Newfound Gap Road. After being placed on the National Register of Historic Buildings in the 1970s, it was moved here so its original spot could return to nature. The corn crib and the large barn in the back is all that's left of the Jim Bales' original homestead. We love to explore these cabins within the national park. We could honestly spend the entire day here, just hanging out and enjoying nature at its finest. Funny. Same on this side, and this side over here is the same as that side next door. Simple animal pens.
Like this. Close enough.
The last stop of the day is Alfred Reagan Place. We found this place really cool. Not only was the walk up to the house super pretty, but we could actually look around the upstairs of this home, and it was super interesting.
Let's go upstairs!
Although we explored in the dark, you can see his home was more modernistic. Alfred Reagan's home place consisted of 134.5 acres. And fun fact, Alfred Reagan was a man of many talents. He had run a small general store, built and operated a tiny tub or grist mill. He also was remembered as an excellent blacksmith hunter, master carpenter, farmer, and gunsmith. His life was summed up by Herb Claybo, simple and clear. He never did do anything much greater than anyone else. He was just a man who once lived and then died. Claybo was born April 2nd, 1911, in what we now know as the Grotto Falls area of the National Park. He was the oldest living member of the Cove. He had lived to be 103, passing away just 3 months shy of his 104th birthday. As we were heading upstairs to take a look around, we found this guy, and he was way bigger than a quarter. The camera did him no justice, but we just left him alone and he did not bother us.
Some nice steep steps y'all seen me come up. Little storage spots up in the wall there. I don't know if y'all see there.
The upstairs was just as great as we expected. We even heard bats in the fireplace, and we actually got a small clip.
The other side kind of looking the same. Cool, I guess. There's a little cubby hole over here. Alright, y'all. I'm about to head back down these stairs.
So, what did y'all think of these two beautiful places? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in and sticking around and watching us as we explore these two beautiful places. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more amazing content like this in the future. Thank you all again so much. Goodbye.